Let's move to the next kind, which is adjectives of number. In the last module, we talked about uncountable nouns where we had used adjectives of quantity. Here, we are going to talk about the countable nouns, and therefore we will need adjectives of number to describe those countable nouns. In adjectives of quantity, we ask the question, how much? Here, in adjectives of number, we are going to ask the question, how many? So, adjectives of number tell us how many people or things are being talked about. And they answer the question, how many? We have three kinds of adjectives of number. First one is definite numeral adjectives, which is further divided into cardinals and ordinals. The second one is indefinite numeral adjectives. And the last one is distributive numeral adjectives. Let's study these kinds in detail now. Definite numeral adjectives are the adjectives which tell the exact number of people or things. Focus on the word exact. These are of two kinds, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals definite numeral adjectives state the number of people or things. Like 1, 5, 20, 80, these are what? Numbers, and are examples of the cardinals. For example, she lives in a huge house and it has 7 rooms. Rooms is a noun and 7 is telling us the exact number of rooms. Therefore, it's cardinal definite numeral adjective. Next one is, I have been friends with her for 10 years. Here 10 is telling us the exact number of years. Therefore, it is a cardinal definite numeral adjective. The next one on our list is ordinals. As the word itself suggests, ordinals, order. Ordinals state the order of people or things in a series. Like first, second, fifth, 10th, 15th are examples of the ordinals. For example, Ram sits on the first bench every day. First comes in the order of the benches, therefore it's an ordinal. The next example is, today is the last day of the carnival. Last is also an ordinal definite numeral adjective. Let's move to the next one. It's indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite suggested the exact number. Its opposite is indefinite, which will not tell us the exact number. So, indefinite numeral adjectives do not denote the exact number of people or things being talked about. For example, I saw many buildings on my way to Bengaluru. Can you count buildings? Yes, we can. But if I do not know the exact number of buildings, I have mentioned the word many, which is an indefinite numeral adjective. Or there are several people at the carnival waiting for their turn. Can we count people? Yes, we can. But do we know the exact number here? No. So, we have used several, which is an indefinite numeral adjective. Or, most students in this class have participated in the competition. Students again is a countable noun, and when we do not know the exact number, we have used an indefinite numeral adjective. we need to remember that it may be indefinite, yet it is talking about the countable nouns, as these are numeral adjectives. The last one on our list is distributive numeral adjectives, which are used when the persons or things are taken one at a time, like the name suggests, in a distributive manner. Every, each, either, neither, another, other are examples of distributive numeral adjectives. For example, each student is supposed to participate. Here, we have many students, but we are picking one student at a time. Therefore, it is an example of distributive numeral adjective. Either of you get up and help your mother. There are two children, and either of them means any one of them must get up and help their mother. We are taking one child at a time. Next one is, we have another bag of chips for you. We are taking again the bag of chips in a distributive manner, means picking one bag at one time. I hope that numeral adjectives are clear to you. If there's any trouble or query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for being patient and listening.